Hey guys, happy Friday. I'm in here cooking for my dog. I have an older dog. But the reason for my post is I had previously posted about a $15,000 down payment program offered to residents in Georgia by one of my lenders. And for some reason, when I was trying to upload and make my little changes and add my text, I made a mistake and I put the video on mute. So I wanted to let you guys know that it's a program for conventional mortgages. It's $15,000, and you could use the down payment. You could use the money for down payment. You could use the money to buy down your interest rates, closing costs. Your credit score has to be a 620 minimum. So this is a conventional, and normally you don't see programs for down payment at that amount on conventional. So if you have any questions, again, it's a conventional product. Minimum credit score is 620. It's not up to. It's a $15,000 down payment program, and I'm only licensed right now in Georgia. So this program is for Georgia, but the lender, he's licensed in other states. So if you want any information about it, please don't hesitate to give me a call. And if you want to know what I'm cooking for my dog, I usually cook for her. Like I said, she's elderly. I have sweet potatoes, brown rice, ground chicken, blueberries, turmeric, ginger, just a little bit of ginger, and vegetables, carrots, and squash. So I normally cook for her like every 4 days. It's like in a huge pot, and she loves it. Sometimes I'll do liver, sometimes I'll do chicken, sometimes I'll do ground turkey. But tonight she's getting a treat, so I'm doing ground turkey, ground chicken, and turkey gizzards. So she is about to eat really good. So again, guys, the down payment program, I'm so sorry you weren't able to hear my video. So I just redid it and want to let you guys know it's a conventional product, 620 credit score, $15,000 down payment. It could be applied to the down payment, closing costs, if you want to buy down the rate. So let me know, any of you people that are on the fence, because I know a lot of people are on the fence in terms of purchasing, but this is a really good program you can take advantage of. So you guys have a good night. Happy Friday. And again, I'll have all my information, or you can send me a message, but I'll put all my information below. So you guys have a blessed weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.